Welcome to our latest video update on the upcoming AMD Genoa X server processors. This new CPU from AMD is set to be released later this year and is set to revolutionize the industry with its standout feature, the 3DV cache. We recently found out that an alleged engineering sample of the AMD9684X with 96 cores and 1152 MB of L3 cache was put up on a Chinese selling platform for a whopping $1,300, a testament to the power of this new processor. So what makes the Genoa X chips so special? This new series of CPUs will feature the same Zen 4 cores as the vanilla Genoa series but will have one extra advantage, the implementation of the 3DV cache. This will boost the L3 cache over 1 GB, a massive 50% increase over the previous AMD Milan X chips. The photographs of the processor pertain to its placement in the AMD 9004 series lineup. The AMD 9684X with its 96 cores will be the flagship SKU for the Genoa X lineup, with the other said to top out at 192 threads and have 1152 MB of L3 cache. The cache layout consists of 96 MB of L2 cache, 3 MB of L1 cache, and 1151 MB of total cache per chip. Comparatively, the AMD Milan X only has 768 MB of L3 cache, so this is a huge upgrade. To support the increased amount of cores and the 3DV cache, the Genoa X chips are expected to have a TDP rating of 400 watts and up to 320 watts for the other chips. This is a 43% increase over the previous AMD 7773X. The AMD 9684X with its 400 watts TDP is only 11% higher than the regular 96-core AMD 9654, however. So, AMD has given us a glimpse of the next generation of powerful processors, and these Genoa X chips look to be an imposing force that some in the industry are already calling the new standard. We look forward to learning more when they are released later on in the year, but, until then, stay tuned to the latest news and developments surrounding AMD's Genoa X series.